If Dante Brooks is convicted, he could be sent to prison for life. Viewers, subscribers, the murder trial for the son of Mavado, whose name is Dante Brooks, and his co-accused Andre Hines got underway on Monday. Now my people, this trial is expected to continue for several days, and today was the 4th day. Now for all of you who can't remember, you get me, Mavado's son has been in detention since 2018 when them charge him jointly with Hines for the June 5th 2018 murder of Lorenzo Thomas. I think that is the name of victim. They also call him Chulups or Israel in Cassava Piece. Now my people, as you can see the title below, right? I know you can see the title and I wonder when JV come with now. But people, if Dante Brooks is convicted, he could be sent to prison for life. You get me? Let me just say that. He could be put away for life. And you might wonder why a 19-year-old to 20-year-old wouldn't get life and not like about 15 years, 5 years, 10 years or so. You get me? But it's more than one charges, right? More than one charges. And we're going to talk about that later down in the video. The good thing about this trial is that the youth still maintain him innocence, which kind of give we a sense of, belonging or confidence. Yo, them feel like them are gonna bust the case. Even though I'm still surprised as to why this case wasn't thrown out back in 2019, but for some reason the panel they see something in this case, which again they have the witnesses should say they are still being examined. So definitely the jury, the judge, them have something with a case here where them can get out of it. Normally, I remember this youth here has been behind bars or in detention, from he was 17 going to 18. Now they couldn't have charged him, they couldn't have tried him as an adult until he is 19. Full 19, 20, and that is now hence the reason why this case has been drawn out, even though me think them wouldn't throw it away already. But the youth maintain him innocence, and we are hope, you get me, we get something good out of this, because remember, as me say, the good thing about this is that the youth are maintaining him innocence. His lawyer came and say, the youth are maintaining him innocent. Them have a good spirit, and them feel like, or them have a good spirit so them can bust a case here, which let's see how it go. So the charge laid against him and his co-accused included conspiracy to murder, arson, shooting with intent, and illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. So for all the persons who are wondering how comes it would be life, and it's anywhere range from 30 up to 30 years plus, you see it, the minimum. So that's the reason why he could face life, because it's more than one charges, you get me. Now when you add up all them years that we are gonna do for a specific offense or charge, you can add up the years and it's possible up to life basically. And that necessarily means if him guilty, him go serve life in prison. I mean, if him plead, or if him plead guilty, then of course I'm gonna have a kind of leniency upon him. But as me mentioned earlier, the youth still maintain him innocent. So that go if them convict him, right? So being convicted is different from if you are pleading guilty. You get me? A lot of persons kind get them confused. In a case like this, he's maintaining his innocence, which means he's not about to plead. He will not plead. So therefore, the jury or the court now would have to come with all the evidence that can actually convict him of all the charges laid against him, right? We haven't heard anything about the case from Mavado's side. He has been silent ever since. We can only see where him post a picture and say love you son, him do a few music, even though that's typically Mavado. You're not gonna hear him come talk about it because that's something with the system, and you want to try to stay out of that. You don't want to try to say anything and then next thing you hear them want to question. So we just hope everything goes as planned and hope everything work out. You get me? We just have to wait and see. how everything go. I mean, today's a 4th day in trial. By the story develop and as day goes by, we will talk more about it. But if he's convicted, he could face up to life in prison. You know, so comment in the comment section below. No, what do you think? Gonna feel like my bust the case, or gonna feel the witness them and all of that? Them I'll put him up for some long time. Comment in the comment section below. Until next time, just vibes, I'm out.